evacuation plan. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Felicity Red. Another fire alarm once again. Okay, so this is not a drill. The fire alarm unexpectedly went off while I'm in my math class. There's like 4 fire trucks here, maybe more. I don't know what set it off. I don't think it was a power surge because the power did not go out this time like it did last time the alarm went off. I don't know if it's a sprinkler leak, a gas leak, maybe someone pulled it, I don't know. Maybe a fire. I mean, I hope not. Hopefully it's nothing too serious. That would be bad. So far I've been out here for like, I would say 15 minutes maybe. I don't even know, but there's fire trucks all over the place. It's kind of hard to see the ones down there. They're driving off, but this main one over there and the other fire trucks are going on the other side of the school. I'm curious to wonder what happened. I'll find out so I can give you the information. Because by the time we get inside, they'll probably make an announcement telling us what happened. So, but yeah, another red fire alarm video. Give this a like right now. So I have a suspicion. I just saw my own video I made, and when I was filming the panel, it said something like manual pull. I don't know if that means a pull station was pulled or what, but that kind of gives me a red flag. Someone might have pulled it. If that's the case, not good. But again, I'm hoping it's nothing too serious. At least it's, not raining out here. That's a positive. At least, it's nice out. Because I would hate to have to come out here in the rain, because of a false fire alarm. That would be bad, so yeah, I'll try to give you an update at the end if I can. I don't know, but I'll definitely have it in the thumbnail and description of this video what caused the alarm to go off, so keep your eyes out for that. Okay, so here's what my friend told me. We're going to be allowed to head back in about 2 or so minutes. He says it might have been a big gas leak. I don't know if this is for sure the case, but that's what he said. We'll find out when they announce it. I may not get that part on video, but again, I'll put it in the description and in the thumbnail what happened. So just look out for that, and that'll tell you what happens. But yeah, pretty crazy stuff. So this is why you gotta expect the unexpected. You never know when an alarm's gonna go off. I know that lesson for sure. Just sitting there and all of a sudden, beep, beep, Of course, I think it's a drill, but then I don't see the red van out, and then all of a sudden I hear fire trucks. That tells me it's not a drill, So yeah, well, I'm always prepared for these types of things, because they can happen at any time. Okay, so I guess we can head back inside now.
They don't want to. They want to leave.
I don't have it turned the other way because I don't want to get other people on camera because that'll get me in trouble, but wait, we can't go inside yet. What the heck? We've been out here for like almost 30 minutes. Oh, never mind. I think we can go inside now. Okay. Let's find out what really happened. Take my advice. Expect the unexpected. You could be like me right now. Fire alarm unexpectedly goes off at your school. So always be prepared for that. We're heading inside right now. Heading back to my math classroom. Right now, I would already be at lunch. Thank you very much. Alarms are no longer going off anymore. Heading back inside now. All my stuff is still in the classroom. How?